What if I told you there's a fintech giant out there right now, fundamentally transforming the way we interact with money? This isn't just another app or a passing trend. This is a company that's rewriting the rules of finance, and it's making waves across the entire industry. In fact, they just posted a quarterly report so spectacular it's turning heads on Wall Street and Main Street alike. Their results are so impressive, every serious investor should be paying close attention. We're talking about a performance that's not just good, it's game-changing, and it could signal a major opportunity for those who act quickly. This company reported a jaw-dropping 44% surge in revenue, absolutely smashing through even the most optimistic forecasts. Analysts and market watchers are scrambling to keep up, as the company's growth trajectory accelerates beyond expectations. This isn't just a company riding the fintech wave. They're the ones making the waves. By building a seamless, all-in-one digital platform, they're attracting millions of new users who want simplicity, speed, and security in their financial lives. Their technology is setting new standards, and their user base is growing at a pace that's leaving competitors in the dust. Today, we're going to break down exactly what's driving their incredible performance and, more importantly, what it could mean for your portfolio. We'll look at the numbers, the strategy, and the vision that's propelling this company to new heights. Their net income is soaring, and their business model is the kind that legendary investors dream about: scalable, resilient, and built for the future. If you're looking for a company that's not just growing but thriving, this could be it. Before we dive in, do me a favor, hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. This video is brought to you by Value Stocks Investing Master Course. If you're looking to grow your wealth by investing in solid, undervalued stocks, but not sure where to start, I created the Value Stocks Investing Master Course to teach you how to identify great companies, make smart investment decisions, and build a portfolio that lasts. Click the link in the description and pinned comments to get the course today and take control of your financial future. The company making waves in the financial world? SoFi Technologies, ticker symbol SoFi. Once a scrappy fintech upstart, SoFi has now firmly established itself as a major player in the digital banking revolution, and their latest quarterly results have left both Wall Street and Main Street stunned. Let's break down their Q2 2025 results. Non-GAAP revenue soared to a record $858 million, marking a staggering 44% year-over-year increase. This wasn't just a beat, it was a blowout, crushing Wall Street's consensus estimate of $804 million by a wide margin. Such a leap in revenue signals not only robust user growth, but also a successful expansion of SoFi's product ecosystem, from lending to investing to digital banking. Non-GAAP earnings per share came in at 8 cents, representing a jaw-dropping 700% jump from last year's results. Analysts had expected a much smaller gain, but SoFi's operational efficiency and cost discipline delivered a result that blew past even the most optimistic forecasts. This kind of EPS growth is rare in the fintech sector, especially for a company still investing heavily in innovation and user acquisition. On a GAAP basis, net income skyrocketed to $97 million, up an incredible 470% from just $17 million a year ago. This isn't just a number, it's a signal that SoFi's business model is maturing, and that profitability is no longer a distant dream, but a present reality. The company is now generating real, sustainable earnings, not just top-line growth. Adjusted EBITDA also saw a massive boost, growing 80% to reach $249 million. This metric, which strips out one-time items and non-cash expenses, shows that SoFi's core operations are not only scaling, but doing so efficiently. The company is managing to grow rapidly while keeping costs in check, a rare feat in the competitive fintech landscape. SoFi's margins are expanding quarter after quarter, thanks to the disciplined execution and strategic vision of CEO 𝗗𝗓𝗓 and his leadership team. Their focus on operational excellence, smart risk management, and relentless innovation is paying off, as evidenced by the widening profit margins and accelerating growth. This quarter wasn't just another strong performance, it was a statement. SoFi is now the undisputed leader of the fintech revolution, setting the pace for digital-first financial services and redefining what's possible for the industry. Their technology, user experience, and product suite are resonating with millions of customers. For years, skeptics questioned whether SoFi could ever turn its impressive user growth into real profits. Many doubted if the company's aggressive expansion would ever pay off. But now, the proof is undeniable. The numbers speak for themselves. SoFi has cracked the code, transforming scale into sustainable profitability. This isn't just a good quarter, it's a paradigm shift that every investor should be paying attention to. SoFi's performance is rewriting the playbook for fintech success, and the market is starting to take notice as the company's stock rallies on the back of these results. SoFi is firing on all cylinders with momentum that's only building. As they continue to innovate and expand, the future looks brighter than ever for this fintech powerhouse. SoFi ended Q2 with a staggering 11.7 million members, a remarkable 34% increase from the previous year, signaling a dramatic shift in how people are choosing to manage their money. This isn't just a number, it's a testament to the growing trust and enthusiasm for digital-first banking solutions. In just 12 months, SoFi added nearly 3 million new members, a surge that's hard to ignore in the world of finance. This explosive growth is a clear sign that consumers are actively seeking out alternatives to traditional banks, and SoFi is leading the charge. This isn't steady, incremental growth, it's a tidal wave of new users abandoning old-school banking in favor of a more modern, flexible, and user-centric experience. The exodus from brick-and-mortar branches to digital platforms is accelerating, and SoFi is at the forefront of this revolution. But the real magic happens after people join. Members aren't just signing up, they're diving deeper, adopting more products and services than ever before. Total products reached 17.1 million, also up 34%, showing that SoFi isn't just growing its user base, but deepening relationships with each member. Cross-selling is driving this efficiency. An impressive 35% of new products adopted were by existing members, highlighting SoFi's ability to keep users engaged and satisfied with a growing suite of offerings. This means members are finding real value and convenience in managing all their financial needs under one digital roof. SoFi's integrated ecosystem is more than just a collection of services. It's a sticky, indispensable platform that keeps users coming back. This seamless integration drives down customer acquisition costs and significantly boosts the lifetime value of each member, creating a powerful engine for sustainable growth. Legacy banks simply can't keep up with SoFi's seamless, user-friendly experience. While traditional institutions struggle with outdated systems and long wait times, SoFi members enjoy instant access, intuitive interfaces, and a sense of financial empowerment that's hard to match. Looking ahead, the momentum shows no signs of slowing. The company expects to add at least 3 million new members in 2025, representing about 30% growth on an already massive base. This projection underscores SoFi's confidence in its strategy and the ongoing demand for digital financial solutions. SoFi is capturing the next generation of consumers, Gen Z and millennials, who demand more from their financial institutions. They want speed, transparency, and a full suite of services at their fingertips, and SoFi is delivering exactly that. This relentless member growth is the bedrock of SoFi's expanding empire, providing a strong foundation for future innovation and market leadership. The foundation is rock solid, setting the stage for SoFi to redefine what banking means for millions more in the years to come. Let's look at SoFi's lending engine. Q2 loan originations hit a record $8.8 billion, up 64% year-over-year. Personal loans led the way at $7 billion, up 66%. Home loan originations surged 92% to $799 million, driven by their new home equity product. Student loans climbed 35% as the market normalized. SoFi's third-party loan platform originated $2.4 billion, generating fee income without taking on credit risk. This diversified, low-risk strategy is fueling explosive growth across all loan categories. SoFi is innovating, managing risk, and building a lending ecosystem that's built to last. Their lending machine is a profit powerhouse. This is strategic execution at its finest. With explosive loan growth, is SoFi taking on too much risk? The answer: their credit quality is actually improving. Net charge-off rate for personal loans dropped to 2.83%, down from 3.84% last year, even as originations soared. 90-day delinquency rates hit a multi-quarter low of 0.42%. SoFi's focus on high-earning, responsible borrowers and advanced underwriting is paying off. Their technology targets prime and super-prime customers, outpacing traditional banks. This disciplined, data-driven approach is the holy grail: high growth, expanding margins, and pristine credit quality. SoFi is growing net interest income while keeping losses in check. They're proving you can have explosive growth and fortress-like risk management. This is an all-weather powerhouse. Investors should have confidence in SoFi's long-term sustainability. SoFi's national bank charter is a game-changer. With $29.5 billion in deposits, they have a stable, low-cost funding source to power loan growth. Nearly 90% of deposits come from members with direct deposit, sticky, reliable funds. Their funding rate is 1.87 percentage points lower than non-bank lenders, translating to hundreds of millions in extra profit. The bank charter delivers a stellar net interest margin, 5.86% this quarter, envied by traditional banks. This structural advantage widens SoFi's competitive moat and fuels profitability. The charter is the foundation for sustainable, profitable growth. SoFi controls its destiny with this strategic edge. It's not quite a license to print money, but it's close. This is the secret weapon most fintechs lack. Great companies don't just deliver, they raise the bar. After a blowout Q2, SoFi raised its full-year 2025 guidance. Adjusted net revenue is now expected at $3.38 billion, up from previous forecasts. Adjusted EBITDA guidance jumped to $960 million. Most impressively, SoFi now expects $370 million in 𝗗𝗟𝗨𝗏 net income for the year, real bottom-line profit. This proves SoFi is a profit machine, not just a growth story. Management's confidence and execution are creating long-term shareholder value. The future is bright, and SoFi isn't afraid to show it. Don't overlook SoFi's tech platform. Galileo and 𝗗𝗟𝗏𝗧 power other fintechs and banks. Q2 net revenue rose 15% to $110 million, providing stable, recurring income. Growth in total accounts was slow, but new client signings set the stage for future acceleration. This segment is a long-term growth lever, diversifying SoFi's business. Looking ahead, SoFi is planning a return to crypto investing and launching AI-driven financial planning tools. Imagine an AI assistant optimizing your finances in real time. This is the innovation that keeps SoFi ahead. The seeds planted today will drive tomorrow's growth. SoFi's tech platform is a key pillar for the future of finance. SoFi Technologies has been making serious waves in the fintech space, and their latest earnings report is a clear reflection of that momentum. With a market capitalization of $24.73 billion and earnings per share of 52 cents, the company currently trades at a price-to-earnings ratio of 43.13. In 2024, SoFi pulled in $2.81 billion in revenue and posted a net income of $498.67 million, figures that speak to its increasing profitability. Following the second quarter earnings release, SoFi's stock jumped 6.6%, closing at $22.40. At one point during intraday trading it surged as high as 17.7%, a clear indicator of growing investor confidence. On the back of this momentum, SoFi raised its full-year revenue guidance to approximately $3.375 billion, a bold move that reinforces the company's bullish outlook and its confidence in sustained growth. But SoFi isn't just leaning on its current offerings, it's pushing into new cutting-edge areas like blockchain-based international money transfers and a renewed focus on crypto investing, signaling that it plans to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving digital finance world. However, not all the news was met with cheers. Shortly after its earnings report, SoFi announced a $1.5 billion public offering of common stock. That announcement triggered a modest dip in share price later in the trading day as investors weighed the potential dilution that typically comes with such offerings. Still, the broader picture for SoFi remains one of strength, innovation, and upward trajectory. Its strong quarterly results, rising member base, ambitious forecasts, and forward-thinking strategy all point toward a company well-positioned for long-term growth. While the stock offering introduces a layer of volatility, the overall sentiment in the market stays bullish, driven by confidence in SoFi's direction and its ability to keep evolving in a competitive fintech landscape. We've seen SoFi's record-breaking growth, surging profits, and relentless innovation. Their all-in-one digital platform, fortress balance sheet, and visionary leadership set them apart. SoFi has transitioned from a cash-burning startup to a highly profitable institution. The combination of high-margin consumer finance and a stable tech platform is a recipe for long-term success. The business trajectory is clear up and to the right. Is SoFi the king of fintech? Based on these results, absolutely. What's your biggest takeaway from SoFi's quarter? Are you a buyer at these levels? Let me know in the comments. If you're enjoying these stock tips and you're ready to level up your investing skills, I've got something game-changing for you. I've just relaunched my Value Stocks Investing Master Course, designed to teach you the exact principles used by investing legends like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Graham. But this isn't just theory. You'll learn how to spot undervalued companies using real-world metrics, build a high-quality portfolio, and protect your investments no matter what the market throws at you. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your strategy, this course gives you the tools and confidence to grow real, long-term wealth. It's packed with step-by-step lessons, powerful insights, and practical strategies you won't find anywhere else. So if you're serious about investing smarter and building a future you're proud of, click the link in the description and pinned comment to join today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. Our members there get full in-depth analysis on most of these stocks I mention here. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives. See you in the next one.